As leader of Neath Talbot Council, I wanted to update you again on the efforts that we are making as a council and as a community as we work together at this time. The coronavirus outbreak has changed nearly every aspect of our lives in these last few weeks, and it will do in the weeks ahead. The challenges we face as a council are many, but the resolve and the commitment of our staff, councillors, partner agencies and frontline workers is great. The same resolve and commitment is there too in our communities, with so many people coming forward, especially to help vulnerable people. Our new MPT Safe and Well service is up and running, and it is a lifeline for those who have been told to stay at home to shield themselves from contracting the virus, but do not have the support of family and friends. Just over a week ago, we appealed for the MPT Safe and Well volunteers, and I can tell you that the response has been overwhelming. Around 500 volunteers have now registered and will make a real difference in their local neighbourhoods. Already over 600 residents have used their service. This week, schools here in Neath Talbot changed from the grab-and-go packed lunch bags brought in at the start of the recent closures to weekly payments, that is, direct payments into parents' bank accounts. Over 5,000 parents of children entitled to free school meals have now registered for these payments. This is 4 times the number of children who are picking up the packed lunch bags. Caring for vulnerable young people has always been paramount, and during these unprecedented times, we will not let you down. We have made specific provision to ensure our vulnerable youngsters get all the help and support they need and deserve. When it comes to providing childcare for key workers, we have now established 8 school-based hubs in the Neath Talbot area. These are working well, and I'd like to thank staff and head teachers for their support. The Council's essential services continue, albeit in some cases in different ways. At this point, I also want to give credit to our refuse and recycling teams. They too are on the front line delivering crucial services for all of us. It's been heartwarming to hear about the messages of thanks they are receiving from residents. These are stressful times too for local businesses, and as a council we are doing all we can to help as we distribute Welsh Government grant funding and advice. In total, very soon we will have paid out over £30 million to eligible businesses here in Neath Talbot. Finally, I want to update you on the field hospital at Llandarcy Academy of Sport. Work is progressing well and we are on track to deliver the building by April 17. This will provide over 300 additional beds to support the NHS. As we know, it's vital that we all continue to follow the Government and Public Health Wales advice in order to stop the spread of this devastating virus. I am grateful to the vast majority of people in the county borough for heeding this advice. We all know lives are at risk if we don't. As the Easter weekend approaches, I appeal to all our residents to stay at home, protect our NHS and save lives. And if you are thinking of visiting our wonderful beaches and parks, please do not travel. Every one of us can help stop spread this virus. So please, do not travel this weekend. Stay at home, help protect our NHS and save lives.